In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Zoho CRM account. To begin, open your web browser and go to zoho.com. Make sure you are on the official Zoho website so you are signing up in the right place. Once the page loads, look for a button that says Sign Up Now or Get Started. Zoho may place these buttons in slightly different spots depending on your screen size, but they are usually easy to find near the top of the page. Click the option you see to start creating your account. Next, you will come to the Sign Up form. Here you will enter your basic details. Type in your name, then add your business email address. It is best to use a work email you can access easily, since Zoho may send you confirmation or account-related messages. After that, you will create a password. Choose a password that is strong and unique. A good tip is to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using common words or repeated patterns. Also, save it in a secure password manager so you do not lose access later. If you prefer, you can skip manual entry by choosing Sign Up with Google. This can be faster and can help you avoid managing another separate password. When you select that option, follow the prompts to pick the correct Google account and approve the sign-in. Once your information is filled in and you are ready to move forward, click Get Started. Zoho will then create your account and begin loading your new dashboard. This may take a few seconds depending on your connection. When the dashboard appears, that is your confirmation that the account setup has gone through and you are officially signed in. At this point, you have successfully created your Zoho CRM account, and you are ready to continue with setup inside the dashboard whenever you are ready. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.